If you're looking for an easy and convenient way to prepare hearty meals for your family, the Crock-Pot 7-Quart slow cooker is the perfect solution. With its generous 7-quart capacity, you can easily cook for 9 or more people, or fit a 7-pound roast with ease. It's great for large families, dinner parties, or meal prepping for the week. The high and low slow cooking settings give you full control over how your food cooks. The convenient warm function ensures that your meals stay at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to eat. Whether you're cooking a stew, soup, or a tender roast, this slow cooker has you covered. One of the best features is the set it and forget it function. You can let it cook while you're at work or out running errands. Your meal will be ready and waiting for you when you return. Cleaning up is also a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe lid and removable stoneware. With its one-pot cooking system, you'll have fewer dishes to deal with at the end of the day. Not only is it practical, but the stainless steel exterior with sleek black accents adds a touch of style to your kitchen. The practical plastic handles make it easy to move around, even when it's full. If you want an economical and healthy way to prepare nutritious home-cooked meals, the Crock-Pot 7-Quart slow cooker is your go-to appliance. Say goodbye to fast food and hello to homemade goodness with minimal effort. Ready to get started with this fantastic slow cooker? Check out the link in the description to grab yours today.